Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make very easy and delicious aloo pakodas. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be requiring to make this crispy aloo pakodas. 3 potatoes sliced, 2 cups of gram flour, that's called besan, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of carom seeds, that's ajwain, and a teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of soda bicarbonate, that's baking soda, and a teaspoon of coriander powder, salt as required, and oil for deep frying. Into a bowl, mixing bowl, I've added the gram flour, and to this I'm going to add all the spices. And I'm going to add salt. You can use salt as required. After adding these spices, I'm going to add water. Make sure you add water little by little. We need to make a thick batter. So I'm going to add more water. You'll see that the batter is ready within no time. See how thick it is. This will give a nice thick coating. So I'm going to add a little more water, just a little. That's it. And our batter is all ready. So for 2 cups of gram flour, I've added around 1 glass of water, that's 200 ml. Alright, I've removed all the water from the potatoes. As you can see how crisp they've turned. I had kept them in water for around half an hour. It's not important to keep them in water, but if you keep them, they become nice and crisp. And this helps the pakodas to get crispier. So I'm going to add this to the batter and start frying them. Alright, I've heated the oil in the kadai and I'm going to add, I've added the slices of potatoes into the batter nicely, and I'm going to add it to the oil. The oil should be nice and hot. So just drop them one by one. So I'm going to just press them down a little bit and then flip them nicely. And fry them till they are golden and nice and crisp. After 2-3 minutes, you'll see that they're nice and golden brown. So you just go ahead and remove them onto a plate. Alright, my aloo pakodas are all done and I'm serving this with some tomato sauce. You can make a mint chutney. If you want to check out my dal pakoda recipe, you can check it out. I'm going to give the link below, and you can go ahead and check out my spinach pakodas recipe also. I'm going to put both the links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye.